Tom and George's 67 Grand Prix convertible. Finally got some positive information to put forth on this, I guess you could say, arduous journey. Anyways, we got the engine bay harness back from M&H. Tom sent that out, got it back finally. Takes a little while. They do a nice job, unlike Lectric Limited. I know you're watching. I'm fixing your mess ups. Anyway, we're gonna do the engine bay harness, get it together, get it done, situated, and then there's been a lot of time on this car involving the bad dash harness that Lectric Limited sent us. So there's been a lot of me just testing individual strands of wire, which would make for boring video. So when I have an aha, we'll shoot that. So here goes putting in engine bay harness. All right, so there it is. Nothing too much to it, really. Pretty straightforward. Didn't take me all that long to remove it. And, well, now that we got it back, it ain't gonna take us too long to put it together either. So here we go. All right, so easy peasy. No, it's annoying when I say that, but too bad. Anyway, this car has a one-wire alternator, a modern style GM one-wire on it. So we take our field connector from the harness, which I usually plug into the unregulated alternator, and we plug our switch into it. Done. Easy. Temp sender slips right on. Battery voltage slips right on. And then we can actually tuck and begin pushing and putting this harness back into its little channel here. Then on this little bit of lead here, we've got our oil pressure sender, and we've got our coil. We can run that. What do we got going here? Got one more. Bad video, sorry. So we gotta route those. Then of course our starter. These two right here. There's our main bulkhead connector. Now this is the connector for the factory voltage regulator. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our little jumper wire in here and then tuck this baby in there so it appears hooked up and correct where it's supposed to be. But really nothing too much on this engine bay harness. forget your trans solenoid connector. It's on the same set with the oil pressure and the coil. So we'll get those babies routed now. And then that'll be that, pretty much.